The ii, a unique lemur species native to Madagascar, possesses several impressive adaptations that set it apart from other animals. Its most notable feature is its elongated middle finger, which it uses to tap on trees and extract insects from crevices, making it one of the few primates to employ a tool for foraging. This distinctive hunting method demonstrates remarkable intelligence and problem-solving abilities. Iis also have specialized teeth for gnawing through tough materials and a highly sensitive hearing, allowing them to detect insect larvae beneath tree bark. Despite their somewhat eerie appearance, iis play a crucial role in their ecosystem as seed dispersers and insect controllers. Unfortunately, they face threats from habitat loss and superstitions in local cultures, making conservation efforts vital to their survival.